I am Dr. Tanika Young-Alabar. I am currently the director of the Wallace Initiative in the District of Columbia Public Schools. I help liaise with our university partners, community-based partners, and the Wallace Foundation on a multi-year grant to ensure that we are building a comprehensive, aligned, sustainable, and equity-centered pipeline for our leaders in DCPS. In this role, I'm able to think broader and get on the balcony to really think about what it means to help develop leaders from teachers to the principalship and support individuals getting to those different stages. I'm a native Washingtonian, and also my children are students in District of Columbia Public Schools. And so I am passionate about ensuring that my children, as well as all of the children of DC, have leaders who are focused on building a successful school academically and social emotional, while focusing on what that means for individuals come from different backgrounds. Being a school leader myself, having gone through the pipeline in DCPS, I wanted this to be part of the legacy of DC. I actually entered the program as I was still sitting in the classroom as a teacher. It was really beneficial for me to begin to understand a lot of the background workings it took to run a school, specifically thinking about school improvement plans or school law and school finance. Coming out the classroom and then transitioning into administrative position, I had greater access to see it, but my time in the program helped me understand what I was seeing and what I was hearing, and then more importantly, how to apply it, especially with the internship model that the GW program had built in. The internships was the opportunity for me to apply what I learned. Becoming a leader is being able to practice those skills. And so the internship gave me the groundwork to do it, while also providing the mentorship and the coaching and someone who could give me feedback while I'm practicing so I can further hone my skills that be more beneficial for teachers and students. I've been able to lead for equity in a number of formal and informal manners, even before I probably put the name of equity-centered leadership to it. To me, it means to be an individual who is actively dismantling, interrupting any systemic issues as it relates to inequities and racism, and ensuring that you are building systems as well as supporting and building people that is going to be in the front of putting in place equity-centered practices. So that means working with students, families, community organizations, politicians, to be focused on what is best for all children. As a former school leader, I did lead a school to get authorized as an international baccalaureate school, the only Title I middle school in the city to have the program. And that was really intentional in providing a global program and curriculum to students who were typically disadvantaged in the classroom or in their neighborhoods. And so those experiences as being a former school principal, as well as directing and coaching new school leaders, has allowed me to actually put equity-centered leadership in action.